be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Oh! Oops!
Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah!
Uh-huh.
Let's go! Excellent! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Whoa!
When there's something really hard for me to do, I can be my favorite animal in the world. A cheeky monkey can climb up
Balloon!
high.
Yeah!
Cheeky
Pencil.
monkey, ooh, ooh, ah. Help me, hurry up. I lost my tail, help me out. Do not worry,
Wow.
we will find your
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Playing with
Aha.
is so much fun. Hey, stop.
Yeah!
Yuck, yuck, yuck. Where is the water hose? Here I come.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
I will
Good
come
job.
to you right-
Look what you can find inside a balloon. Big jellies, and I'll show you how to make them. Pick one gummy bear. I got a green one. Mix it well with water. Fill the balloons. Now we have to wait. Now cut them open. Wow, look at those colors. They're really fun to play with. Try making some yourself.
What is this cool pattern? I
Check.
wonder what it does. I think it can do magic. Let's check it out. Wow, I
Count.
love it. Time to use it now.
Dog!
Mama, magic control from a different world. Mama, magic control. Things can go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Wow!
I wanna know what you are. You're so up high in the sky. Up above the world up high. Bling bling like a diamond. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I wanna know what you are. You're so up high in the sky. Up above the world up high. Bling bling like a diamond. Flying
Excellent.
rocket.
New experiment time. We will need balance and a hairdryer. Inflate 5 balloons. Stick all balloons together. Then blow the balloons with a hairdryer. Done! Don't do it without your parents.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, love, young, wild, and free. That's where we wanna be. Just you and me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, love, young, wild, and free. That's where we wanna be.
Flower.
Just you and me. A,
Dog.
B, C, D.
Banana. Cat. Woo! B is for banana. D is for dog. Excellent! F is for flower. C is for cat. Good job! Woo-hoo-hoo!
It's so hard to put a window on my pretty princess tower. Little fingers, time to show out. You can all work together and help me out.
Hey, this isn't so bad after all.
Whoa, whoa, look out! There's so much more ice now! Look at that island! There's a boat!
What a relief to be back on dry land.
So it must have been these penguins who sent the distress signal. What a relief to find them.
The ice must have forced their ship up on this island, but the penguins seem to be okay for now.
And we can't really rescue them until we get rid of the ice anyway.
Would you mind waiting here a little while longer?
We'll go find out where these strange icebergs are coming from. Maybe we can stop them. You say the icebergs are coming from the Twin Princess's castle?
It figures.
Well, then let's go pay the Twin Princesses a visit. Come on.
What? Well, we're going already? We just got here.
Billy, the icebergs are just too thick now. We can't go any further by boat.
You're right, but we're so close. We can't stop now. Come on.
Oh, it's bad enough it's water. Does it have to be cold and slippery too?
So that machine is making all this ice?
This ice machine we got from Bad Fairy is so cool. This is private property. Scram! I'm glad you've been having fun here, but can you please stop? Your icebergs are putting the rest of Magic in danger. Danger? I don't see any danger. Do you, Internet? Oh, nothing at all, Marie.
But all the ice is filling up Magic Sea.
Duh, no kidding. How else are we gonna have the biggest ice skating rink in the world? But the ships can't get through. Well, that sounds like the ship's problem, not ours. Okay, I tried asking nicely. If you're not going to stop that machine, we'll have to do it ourselves. Oh, yeah? Pandas! If you'll excuse us, we'd like to get back to skating on our rink. And you're not invited. Not invited, huh?
Those twin princesses are so selfish. They want everything to themselves.
That's exactly right. Come on, Sherman, let's go get the penguins. I've got an idea. You stay here, Sir Kitty Cat. We'll be right back.
Yeah, I would stay right here if I could stop sliding.
Oh, look, an ice dancer.
Hey, you're not allowed to stay here.
I'm trying not to.
These are some of the sailors you put in danger today. Go have some fun, guys. Hey, who said they could come to our ice rink? This rink isn't yours anymore. The sea belongs to everyone. Huh. Suddenly, I don't want to skate anymore.
The machine, it's out of control.
We have to stop it! Help!
How do you like your ice machine now?
We don't! It's terrible! You can have it! Please take it! We never want to see it again! Okay, we'll take it off your hands. Hey, do you think you could get us out of here?
I don't know. These ice blocks are pretty solid. There's no way we can move them.
But